Okay, good morning. Today we're going to talk about animal behavior. Okay, animals have internal stimuli or cues that ensure their survival. We have three things to explain: hunger, thirst, and sleep. In hunger, the importance of hunger is that it cues animals to eat. Animals need food for energy and therefore for survival. About thirst, the importance of thirst is that it chooses animals to have in water. Animals need water since their body are mostly made of water. Then we have sleep. Sleep, the importance of sleepness is that it cues the animal to sleep. Sleep is required to restore the body's ability functions. So these three things help animals to survive. Then we have behavioral responses, okay? That refers to how animals cope with changes in their environment. Complex set of responses to stimuli is called a behavior. We have some behavior. We have hibernation, that state of really reduced body activity to conserve food stored in the body. Animals do this because hibernation occurs as a result of the cold winter weather. Some animals hibernate for part of all the winter because in the winter there's no food available or the food uh, availability is very short. Okay, so the animal's body temperature drops, its heartbeat and breathing slow down, and it uses very little energy. Example: ants, snakes, blackbirds, beavers, and ground squirrels do hibernation. Okay, then we have migration. Is the movement of animals to another place in response to seasonal changes. When season change, animals move. Okay, so if the north is winter, animal goes south to look for warm temperatures. Okay, they travel to where food is available. Migrating animals usually use the same routes every year. Okay, the cycle is controlled by the changes in the amount of daylight and the weather. Example: animals that migrate, we have monarch butterfly, orcas, caribou, and ducks. Then we have courtship, and it's a behavioral process whereby adults of a species try to attract a potential mate. This ensures that males and females of the same species recognize each other to have babies. Sensory cues like odor, sounds, or color will serve as courtship attractants in animals. Environmental stimuli, such as seasonal changes, will stimulate courtship also. We have this example of this lizard that have these protuberance down in the neck, and it inflates like the bird that is looking for a female, or the cranes that are dancing. So these happen about the stimuli and to look for me. Then we have defense. Defense mechanism vary with different type of animals. Some animal examples, camouflage. Some animals have protective uh, fur to survive changes in environment. For example, some animals develop the camouflage in response to the weather. The Arctic fox and the snowshoe hare develop white coat for the winter to blend in what with the snow, and a gray coat in the summer to blend in with the forest. Chameleons and other lizards change color to blend into the environment to avoid predators. You can see the example of the Arctic fox, chameleon, and the lizard here. Okay. Also, there are depends. Sometimes they camouflage for hunt, like the praying mantis, or for hide, like the Arctic fox. And defense, we have also smell and singers. Smell is example when they throw a certain odor. We have an example here. Skunks are use an offensive odor in response to fear. The skunk turns the predator's sense of smell against it by pursuing a stream of oily, foul-smelling musk, and it's very, very often that smell. Stingers in wasps and bees use stingers for protection from frightened or threatened. Okay, so when they feel fear, they go and sting, or when they feel threatened, they go and sting. Okay, so we have to be careful with this type of animals. Insects also. Ejection. we have this and the octopus and squids that the black ink cloud of an octopus is a defense mechanism because it gives the animal a chance to escape from a predator. When the horned lizard gets really scared, it shoots blood from its eyes and it gives you time for escape. Then we have mimicry. Mimicry. When weaker animal copies a stronger, more poisonous, or more dangerous animal, characteristic for protection for warning of predators. Examples include a false coral snake or a hawk moth caterpillar that looks like a snake. Certain moths have markings that look like eyes and some flowers, and flies, for example, black and yellow wasps that have a powerful sting and uses these disguise to ward predators. Here we have the example. Then we have grouping. So the animals in grouping, okay, and the social behavior occurs when certain animals travel together in groups to protect individuals within the group or fool a predator into thinking the group is one large organ. For example, herds of buffalo, zebra, cattle, wolf, or school of fish. So the predator believes that it's just one organism when they are together. Also, wolves do this when they are. So this is what we have about animal behavior according to the environment.